Turn simple shapes into beautiful flowers and leaves. Watch and learn in just a few steps. Fill the background. Shortcut for this: Alt and Backspace. Add a new layer. Get the rectangular marquee tool. Draw the stem like this. Fill with color. Shortcut for this: Alt and Backspace. Add another layer above. Get the pen tool. Select Shape option. Click here. Then here. Without releasing, drag like this. Click the starting point. One petal created. Duplicate with Ctrl and J. Drag the anchor point here. Change angle to 72 degrees. Select this petal. Press Ctrl and Shift and Alt. Hit T 3 times. Now 5 petals created. Add another layer above. Get the ellipse marquee tool. Draw like this. Fill with color. Shortcut for this: Alt and Backspace. Hold Ctrl and click this layer. It's selected. Go to Select. Modify. Contract. Set value to 25. Add a new layer above. Get the Move tool. Drag like this. Now, we will create leaves. Get the pen tool. Draw half a leaf. Add another layer above. Draw the other half. Make veins like this. Double-click the layer. Fill with a darker color. One leaf created. Select both layers. Group them. Duplicate the group. Right-click. Select Flip Horizontal. Place it above. Done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. For more daily updates, hit the bell icon.